a Chinese temple, and this Chinese temple is the oldest in Singapore. Okay, and in the past, when the Chinese came to Singapore, they had to smuggle. It's illegal because their emperor does not allow them to leave the country. So the Chinese men have to hide themselves inside the boat for 3 months. And for 3 months, it's very rocky. Okay, and they have no extra food. Whatever food and water they bring from their hometown is what they have for the 3 months or the 3 weeks. So many people, out of 1,000 people who go and out of the country, only 300 survive. So the 300 who survive, they will go to this temple and thank the gods. And that's why this particular temple is actually the temple for the goddess of the sea. And now she's also known as the goddess of the skies. She's the mother goddess of the universe for the Chinese. Okay, she's a Taoist. And the story has it that when she is alive, when she's a human being, a person, she is able to sense danger of people who are out at sea. And most of the time, if she thinks there is danger, she will stop them from going out, or she will ask people to rescue them. So that's why she became the goddess of the sea. Okay, so